Hi guys! I'm starting this painting with some gesso as I always do, but I'm coming in with a brayer that has some pattern in it because I want the texture to show through when it dries. Yeah, so here I am just trying to get some marks down on the paper. I'm using a regular pencil, and I think I'm going to be coming in with some soft pastel and some hard pastels, and actually just trying to get something down on the paper at this point. I'm not worrying about those charcoal marks. If I paint over them with gesso, that's just fine. As soon as I put down some of that second color, I really started enjoying how this color combination pleases my eyes. Um, but I enjoyed it even more when I got some of those darker values down on the paper. I think it's just amazing. So when you work intuitively or spontaneously like I do, you just paint wherever. You don't plan your strokes. You don't think too much about where you're placing things. And sometimes you do things that you don't like. That is not the same as failing. I just want to let you guys know that no matter what you do with your painting, you could make a mistake or do something you don't like, but that does not mean that the painting is ruined. You just have to keep working with what you have, and believe me, if you keep going, you'll be able to fix it. Yeah, so I just want to let you guys know that we all have good days and we all have bad days, and some days it's easier to paint than others. And on those hard days, you just need to remember that you got this. You can keep going, you got this. So this video is coming to an end. I'm starting to focus on detail and I'm liking what I see. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please follow and leave me a comment because I love them. And yeah, thank you so much for your support. See you soon. Bye.